This video is for Aries, Libra, Cancer, and Capricorn. I need all of you to come to the front of the room. I'm going to give you a couple of minutes to get in there so we can have a conversation. Are we in there? You're good, baby? You okay? Okay, so let's talk. Now, I've been reading some of the comments, and I think I need to be more direct in letting you know what's about to go down for you guys in astrology. So now that Pluto is retrograde in your sign, there's like two groups of you, okay? So there's those of you that have been doing the work. And if you fall in that category, your ass has been handed to you by the universe since 2008. It's just been one loss after another. Loss of career, lots of job, lots of important relationships, loss of health, lots of appearance, loss of identity. Basically, everything that was fundamentally important to you that you define yourself by, you have lost, and you've had to rebuild yourself each and every single time. So you've been through a process of death and rebirth, which is what Pluto is about. It's about things dying and things coming back up. So the rug's been pulled from underneath you. You've had to hit your face on the concrete, get yourself back up, pull yourself back together, and get the shit done. Okay? And through that process of losing and rebuilding, you gain strength. You gain confidence, you gain power, you gain true power, which is internal power. You see, Pluto is about Scorpio. Scorpio is about no bullshit. If there's one thing a Scorpio cannot stand, it's a lie, okay? A lie, a facade, some fakery, some fuck shit. Scorpio's not with it. If you're not coming correct, do not come, because Scorpio will embarrass you. The reason for that is because Scorpio knows you cannot grow with lies. We can't grow with lies. So everything about your life that is a lie, that fake ass, unhappy, miserable ass marriage that you want us to believe is great, Scorpio is going to rip that shit from your hands so you can deal with the reality, which is that you're great. And you don't need this fake ass, unhappy, miserable ass marriage to feel good about yourself. So those are the people that have been doing the work. They've died a million times since 2008 and came back up. And in fact, if you're Capricorn, in 2017, the shit got even turned up. So the loss that you suffered from 2008 to 2017 got even greater when 2017 came. It's not until the beginning of this year that you have some relief. Now, there are those of you that have been, the universe has been tugging at you to do the work and you've been avoiding it. You've been going in circles with them problems. It's like you're breaking up, you're making up, you're breaking up, you're making up, but you're not actually fixing the marriage. It's just going around in circles. Or your health is up and down, whatever. For those guys who are telling me you've had enough, the answer is yes, baby, you've had enough. So give up. Face the music. Accept the truth. Let's move on. It's time for you to face reality. Stop fighting. Just give in. That's the message.